Things are heating up between Japan and China. It all started with a few words from Japan's Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi. She told lawmakers that if China attacks Taiwan and it threatens Japan's survival, Japan could actually send troops. Yes, she connected a Taiwan crisis directly with Japan's military response. A big deal because no Japanese leader has said this out loud in decades. Unsurprisingly, China was not happy. They immediately warned their citizens not to travel to Japan. For businesses, that was huge blow. For example, a Tokyo-based tour company, East Japan International Travel Service, said it lost 80% of its bookings for the rest of the year. Imagine the chaos for tourism and businesses. And China didn't stop there. On Wednesday, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said they would take stern and resolute countermeasures if Japan doesn't retract the statements. This isn't just politics, it has real consequences for trade, tourism, and even the stock market. So, what exactly did Takaichi say? On November 7, she told Japan's parliament that if China tries to use force on Taiwan, Japan might respond militarily under the principle of collective self-defense. She even said that if Taiwan is attacked with battleship or force, it could threaten Japan's survival and that could justify sending troops. China's response has been sharp. They summoned Japan's ambassador and Japan did the same in return. But things got even weirder. A Chinese diplomat in Osaka, Xu Jian, actually made an online post threatening to cut off Takaichi's head, a post that was later deleted. Japan's diplomat Masaki Kanai called the statements extremely inappropriate and demanded action. So what's the bigger picture here? Japan and China already have a fragile relationship with history, territorial disputes and trade all tangled together. Takaichi is known as a China hawk, so these remarks aren't entirely surprising. But the fallout is real. Travel warnings have hit tourism and retail stocks, companies and cautioning employees and tour operators are seeing massive losses. Considering tourism makes up around 7% of Japan's GDP, this is a serious impact. Basically, a few words from a Japanese leader have triggered diplomatic tensions, economic fallout and a major travel scare. And now the world is watching how China and Japan handle this high-stakes showdown. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for all the latest updates.